Speedbird 851, turn right heading 180. Order 14 Papa, turn right 245, report localizer stop.
Hi everyone, DJ's Aviation here. Today I'm bringing you another video on Bombardier and Jetblue. Pictures have been released in the past few days showing that the CS300 has in fact been sent to America, but more specifically the Jetblue hangar in New York. The manufacturer in fact confirmed it had flown the CS300 to New York for demonstration, but both Bombardier and Jetblue have refused to comment if it's to do with an order. As I mentioned though, pictures have been released with the CS300 positioned directly outside the Jetblue hangar, and people did report throughout social media that it did spend some time inside the hangar itself. The CSeries, whether this be the CS300 or CS100, is a huge possibility for Jetblue, as they are currently under a fleet review, which means they are studying whether to replace their Embraer E190s with a newer E2 jet family, or possibly these CSeries aircraft. This sort of thing that's just unfolded isn't uncommon. During the A350-1000 World Demonstration Tour, while in Sydney, the aircraft spent an entire morning with Qantas and Qantas engineers. Demonstration tours, or just demonstration flights, are ways for airlines to assess an actual product before ordering that specific aircraft. Bombardier have said that they deployed the CS300 instead of the CS100, simply because the CS300 was the only one available to them. The CS100, however, can carry 108 passengers, which means it's almost the ideal replacement to the E190, which can hold about the same amount, and hence why the CS300 showing up, which of course has the larger capacity, may have seemed a little odd to most. What do you make of this? Do you believe that Jetblue are seriously interested in the CSeries jets? If so, which version would you like to see them order? Just been a quick video today, but I do hope you've enjoyed it nevertheless, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Peace.